let's have the 8th use case. List all names of employees and projects that they have been working on. It's very clear use case. So I want to get all the employees and the projects that they have been working on. So let's go to our SQL, select. First of all, here we will be dealing with 3 tables: employee, project, and works on. Okay, so and we will be joining them. So the employee with works on and the project with works on. Remember, there was a many-to-many relationship between employee and the project, with the works on relationship in a high level, in a conceptual level. So here we have the table that works on, and this is kind of the bridge between those tables. So let's type query, select fname, lname, and pname. Where are they coming from? Employee and project. So fname and lname are coming from the employee table, and pname is coming from the project table. And now we should join them. So ESSN equals SSN. So ESSN is coming from the works on table here, and I am joining the works on with the employee through SSN. So here the SSN, this is the primary key and this is the foreign key. So I'm joining them, and pno equals p number. Same with the project, between project and works on tables. Here I have pno as a foreign key here in the works on table, and I have p number as a primary key here in the project table. So that's it, and let's run this. It's kind of very close. Name was saying unknown where class. Oh yeah, sorry about that. I just forgot to put works on table, because works on ESSN and pno attributes are coming from the works on table. So we should have all the tables that we are using. So here you go. I have those employees working in these projects. So in a professional world, most likely like the people are using, professions are using like namings, those variables, like tuple variables, or tuple naming is known. For example, employee is E, project P, works on W, and now we can use those. Those are also known as aliases, so we can use them here. And lname and pname, and same here. This is coming from the works on. Now we can clearly see where they are coming from, right? P number from P. So the main reason that we're using is, what if we would have in the works on the ESSN as SSN, right? Then we would end up like this if we wouldn't have used any aliases, like this. So that doesn't look correct, okay? It's very confusing, which is coming from which, so it's ambiguous. So it's specifying where they're coming from, even though they are not exactly the same. So it's always preferred, this way is always preferred. And ESSN, and we will get the same result here, okay? So let's copy and paste this one here. So now next use case is similar, it's very similar. Let's just copy and paste here. So I want to get the employee names, those employees and the projects that they have been working on, in addition to that, and the amount of time they spent for those projects. So what now? It's very simple actually. Here we have hours, right? In the works on table we have hours, and what we can do here is just to put here also the hours. That's it. And if you just type this, now we can also see how much they spent for each project. So let's have the next one. For every project, oh, by the way, I want to actually just copy and paste. That's better, I think. So for every project located in Stafford, list the project number, controlling department number, the department managers, let's say last name, address, and birth date. So again, for every project located in Stafford, list the project number, the controlling department, the department manager's last name, address, and birth date. So now what? So we're dealing again with many tables here. So first of all, what attributes are we dealing? Saying project number, right? P number coming from where? From project. So project. Let's use those aliases, those namings, those tuple names. P dot P number, and then what else? Department, right? We're using also controlling department number. So let's do that D, and we can say D dot dnum, and then we are also having what? Now the department manager's last name, address means actually they are employees, right? Those people are coming from employees table. So this means we can say first let's add this employee here. It would be much easier. L name, address, and b date. So we aren't finished because we haven't made any joins yet between those tables. So now this is the critical part where we should now join the project and the department number. So we did that before. P dot dnum equals d dot d number. Okay, we did that. So and now d dot manager SSN. So where is this coming from? If you go to department now, let's go to department. Here we have manager SSN. So this is SSN, the foreign key referencing to SSN in the employee table. Okay, here. So let's do that. SSN equals e.ssn, and we aren't finished because we are also saying Stafford, right? The project should be located in Stafford. So meaning we also have location, and this is coming from the project table. Okay, you can see actually here P location. Remember? So let's have that too. P location equals Stafford. But that's it. We can just simply copy paste here. Oops, something's wrong. Select. Oh yeah, while copying and pasting, I think I forgot S. Now things look good. DDNum field is okay. DDNum department D number, right? So it is known as D number. D number, right? Yeah, we used this correctly, but not here. So I think now it should work. Yeah. So That's it with this use case. So we can now see those projects located in Stafford along with the department's number and the manager's information.